Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will explain the current number of backlogs of EOIs waiting to get invitation for 189 Australian PR visa based on some assumptions and recent invitation round results. Recent invitation round results in the sense June and July 2020 invitation round results. First we will see the backlogs for 2211, that is accountants. The number of EOIs waiting with 105 points are less than 20, but it is greater than 90 for 100 points, greater than 1500 with 95 points, greater than 2500 for 90 points. The number of EOIs with 100 points waiting to get invitation are less than 20. The number of EOIs with 95 points are greater than 100. The number of applicants with 90 points are greater than 1000. The number of EOIs are greater than 500 for 85 points. These people are waiting to get invitation. 2334 electronics engineering professionals. The number of applicants waiting to get invitation with 100 points are less than 20, same for 95 points as well, but it is greater than 50 for 90 points. And the number of applicants to get invitation with 85 points are greater than 150. 2335 industrial mechanical and production engineers. The number of EOIs waiting to get invitation with 100 points are less than 20. Same goes for 95 points as well, but it is more than 200 for 90 points, and the number of applicants with 85 points are more than 500. These people are still waiting to get invitation. 2339 other engineering professionals. Here also same, the number of applicants are less than 20 for 195 points, and the number of EOIs waiting to get invitation with 90 points are greater than 90, and for 85 points it is more than 350. Next, 2544 registered nurses. The number of applicants to get an invitation for 189 Australian PR visa with 100 points are less than 100. The same goes for 95 points as well. But for 90 points, it is just greater than 50. And the number of applicants with 85 points are more than 400. So if you have just 85 points with registered nurse, and if you are waiting to get an invitation, the probability of getting an invitation in next few rounds is very less. So please try to improve your points. 2611 ICT business analyst. The number of applicants with 100 points are less than 20. The number of applicants with 95 points are more than 150. The number of EOIs with 90 points are more than 350. The number of applicants with 85 points are more than 500. So these many people are still waiting to get an application. That is invitation to large and visa for 189 PR visa. 2613 software application programmers. The number of applicants with 100 points are less than 20 only. The number of applicants with 95 points are more than 50. The number of EOIs with 90 points are more than 400, and the number of EOIs waiting to get an invitation with 85 points are more than 1000. 2631 computer networking professionals. The number of applicants with 100 points are less than 100. The number of EOIs with 95 points and still waiting to get an invitation are less than 100. The number of applicants with 90 points are more than 150. And at last, number of applicants with 85 points are greater than 300. Last, all other non-pro rata occupations. Here please understand, these are the number of EOIs or applicants, those who are still waiting to get an invitation for 189 Australian PR visa. These people would have already got the invitation, but they may not accepted that invitation. So they may still in the queue. They will still get an invitation when their queue comes. So they are still in the queue. Here the number of applicants with 100 points are less than 20. The number of EOIs waiting to get an invitation with 95 points are less than 90. The number of applicants with 90 points are more than 300. Finally, the number of EOIs with 85 points are more than 2000. That is, more than 2000 people have lodged their application and still waiting to get an invitation for 189 PR visa. And you have to understand one thing, these people might have received an invitation for some other visa and they would have accepted their invitation, but they may still wait for an invitation for 189 visa. So they can still accept 189 invitation if at all if they receive, and they can proceed with this application. Please do share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will post regular updates about Australian immigration and PTA academic. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.